Next, we had to do some more problems related to this Fibonacci theorem first form. So the first question is integrated from 0 to 3, integral 0 to 2, 4 minus y square d by dx. That is integral from 0 to 3, 0 to 2, 4 minus y square into d by dx. And in this d by dx means first we have to integrate this with respect to y, next integrate with respect to x. Okay. First this corresponding to this y, we have the limit of integration from 0 to 2, and corresponding to x we have the limit of integration from 0 to 3. Right? So we have to do the first one is 0 to 3, and you have to integrate this 4 minus y square with respect to y. That is 4y minus y cube by 3. Okay, there is a limit of integration, and this varies from 0 to 2 into dx. This is equal to integral from 0 to 3, 4 into 2 minus 2 cube, that is 8 by 3, minus 0 into dx, which is same as what? Integral from 0 to 3, 8 minus 8 by 3 into dx. Okay, this is equal to 8 minus 8 by 3 is 8 into 3, 24 minus 18, that is 16 by 3 into integral from 0 to 3 dx, which is equal to 16 by 3 into x varies from 0 to 3, which is equal to 16 by 3 into 3. The answer is 3. The answer is 3. Okay, is it clear? That is, we have to integrate this. If the integration is with respect to d by dx, that means first to integrate with respect to this, the integral in the inside region, right? That region is we have to do the first. We have to do integrate this inside region and then next outside region. Okay. So next I am going to do one more problem in this. 2. The question is 0 to 3 integral from minus 2 to 0 x square y minus 2xy into dy dx into dy dx. So here again, and this is dy dx, that means first to integrate this with respect to y and put the values minus 2 to 0. Next we have to integrate with respect to x and put the values from 0 to 3 for x. Alright, so this is equal to integral from 0 to 3. Integrate this with respect to, there is no change in this first integral. So next integral we have to integrate with respect to y. So x square, this is y square by 2 minus 2x into y square by 2 from minus 2 to 0 into dx. Which is same as integral from 0 to 3. This is 0 when substituting 0, this all are 0. 0 minus 2 minus 2 square, that is 4 by 2, that is 2x square, minus y square, that is 4 by 2, that is 4x into dx, which is same as minus of 2 into x cube by 3 minus 4 into x square by 2 from 0 to 3. Which is same as minus of 3 cube, that is 1 3 get cancelled, 2 into 3 square, that is 18, minus 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 into 30. 9 into 4. 36 by 2, that is 18. Again, that cancelled, and that's equal to 0. So the answer will be 0 here, right? So move on to the, is there any mistake in this? Look, this x square into y square by 2. We had to substitute minus 2, yes, into x cubed by 3. Put 3 equal to x equal to 3 here. 3 cubed and 3 square remaining. 2 into 3 square 18. So 2 into again 2 into 3 squared. So this answer will be 0. So third question, I would like to do 0 to pi, integral from 0 to x, x into sine by d by dx. So how do we do this? Because we have done the earlier problems are a finite integral, right? Here, look this. First integral limit is limit of integration from 0 to pi. Next limit is from 0 to x. There is not a particular value here. That's a variable. So how will you do this integration? Right? This equal to, as in the previous case, 0 to pi x sine y dy dx. We have to integrate this with respect to y first. We have to integrate this with respect to y first. 0 to pi, 0 to x, x sine y dy dx. We have to integrate with respect to y, then treating x as constant. So x into sine by derivative is integration is cos pi, and the value is from 0 to x into dx, which is equal to integral from 0 to pi x into cos x minus cos 0 into dx, which is equal to integral from 0 to pi x into cos x minus 1 into dx, which is same as integral from 0 to pi x cos x minus x into dx. Okay, which is equal to what? 0 to pi. Before that, we have to integrate this first. That is x. Integration of x cos, which is equal to what? Is equal to integral from, this is the real part, which is equal to real part of integral from is equal to real part of x into which is equal to real part of minus ix into cos x plus I sin x minus cos x plus I sin x. Taking the real parts only from these terms, minus ix into cos x minus I into minus I. Minus I into y, that is minus I square, that is minus 1, plus sine, that is real part means that is x cos, x sin x minus cos x. X sin x minus cos x. This is the answer in this. Okay, so you have to do the remaining procedure in this problem. Okay, and some more problem I would like to give. There is the fifth one, integral from 0 to x. This is already we have discussed. From pi to 2 pi and 0 to pi sin x plus cos y dx dy. And one more, integrate from 1 to 2, integrate from y to y square dx dy. Okay, so we can do next problems and so please clear the second form in the next class.